Hard to get. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yan. Ayan, iwalay ulit ako para mas marami ka. God, thank you.
Thank you.
Yan, maraming salamat. Ayan. Ayan, magbibigay na ng prize ng mga taga-PAL. Gabi, ito parang isang baron.
Hindi na ako makakalis dito.
Ay, okay.
I'll give you the stage. Yan po.
Hindi na nakita eh.
Thank you, Gab. Yan. Alam mo, nakaka-touch. Shawi, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alam niyo,
Good afternoon, everybody. Please, hi. Please take a seat. Hi, my love. Ano ba yan? I'm back.
Yan, upo na muna tayo para makapag-start na po tayo. Kung 1 hour po ang press ko ni Gabi, 3 hours na siya. No?
Kaya niya yun. Huwag naman. Maubusan ang boses ko namin.
Pero nakakatuwa kasi nga ang unang plano po, wala talagang promo together sila, walang rehearsal together. October 27 sila unang matutungayang magkasama. Pero dahil sa pagmamahal nila sa press, dahil natuwa sila na syempre ng intriga, ayan, nagkasama sila dito sa Okada stage.
Yes, tsaka first time namin magkita since Gabay Guro.
Nakakala-
2017 mo
Akala
yun.
ng iba, bago yung beat. Si Rupa nga kahapon tuwan-tuwa.
Oh my God.
Rupa,
Baby ko yun.
hindi yung bago. Eh,
Baby
siya
ko
nung
si
gabi
Rupa.
siya. Gusto mo manood. Sabi ko, okay. Oh.
Manood siya sana.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Thank you for your patience and thank you for being here today. It's a special occasion, I know, and I'm so happy to be with old friends here and new friends as well.
Yan. So, upo na muna tayo. Sisimulan na natin ang Q&A. Pero siya, ako mauuna na. Sharon, yan, ako mismo parang sobrang na-touch ako. Parang bumalik ng 80s na nang makita namin kayo na talagang nakaka-feel good. Very positive.
Good vibes lang talaga.
So, ang tagal yung di nagkita ni Gabi sa Gabay Guro pa yon.
Kahit sa preparations ng concert, para alam nyo, never kami nagkita. Never. So, mga tao namin na nag-uusap, never kami nag-usap, never kami nagkita, laging merong middleman, ganun. So, first time namin talaga magkita.
So, Shawi, anong naramdaman mo nung finally, after ilang years nandito kayo, promoting Dear Heart, the concert?
Okay lang. Hindi, excited ako makita yung mga kaibigan ko sa press. Kasi ang tagal na, naninibago nga ako eh. Tsaka syempre, parang brand new experience after so many decades na meron kaming gagawin together, that we're working together again. So, syempre, okay naman, excited, masaya.
At lalong ang ganda mo.
Thank
Lalong
you.
ang payat, ang
Thank you.
bongga.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
Syempre-
7 years po yan, hindi overnight. Tsaka sa tulong din ni Doc Ivy.
Pero naluloka ako sa nakikita ko. Siyempre, nakaupo si Sharon, nandito ako. Naluloka ako dyan.
sa Ruffles ko.
Hindi, sa gitna.
Sorry, pinaliit ko na nga eh. Puro balat eh.
Pero ang bongga, ang ganda-ganda ni Sharon. Yan. Sorry parang nawala ako kasi Sharon, Gabi, ano talaga. Pero Sharon yan ako. Every Sunday dati nakikinig ako sa radio, yung kay Friendly Nikki, puro kanta ni Sharon.
I love
Kabisado ko.
Nagdi-DJ pa ako.
Oo nga, pati yung sinasabi mo, may nakatape na magandang morning, Friendly Nikki. Ganon, di ba? Talagang ang bongga, talagang pag nakita naman talaga, ang dami dito, puro Sharon yan. Kapon niya si Roldan Castro.
Thank you so
Sabi niya,
much.
Sharon Gabi na talaga ako eh. Sabi niya. Tapos ang dami-dami talaga dito na Sharon yan, na Gabi, di ba?
Na-miss nyo?
Oo.
O, Sharon Gabi din naman ako nung araw eh.
Pero yun nga,
May anak pa nga kami.
pero nakakatuwa nga, Shawi, no, na hindi na sila naghintay ng October 27. Talagang nagsama kayo dito.
Thank you.
Hindi po planado to. Oo, yan.
Thank you so much.
Oo nga. Pero sisimulan na natin, Miss Shawi. Yan ang pagtatanong. Ito, syempre si Tita Baby nandito.
Ate baby, I love you. Nice to see you here. I miss you so much. I love you.
Oo nga. Alam mo, Tita Baby, pwede bang ikaw magsimula ng Q&A?
Si Ate Baby kasama namin since
Saan yung mic
1981.
natin? Mic.
Kanina gusto ko rin sana tanongin ito kay Gabi.
Oo.
Is there anything in your life that you would change after 43 years? It has been 43 years.
43 years since
81?
Oh my Lord. 42.
42.
Yeah.
Since Dear Heart,
What was the question, Ate? Is there anything I would
change.
change? I probably wouldn't have gotten married too early. I would have probably given it a little more time para mas mature na kami. Mas ready na siya. Ako ready na. So, yun lang. Yeah, I probably would have gotten married later.
Yan, thank you, Tita Baby. Yan, oo. Yan. So, parang natulala lahat. Oo. So, yan. Pero, siyempre, ito, next na magtatanong na, uunahin muna natin yung mga hindi nakapagtanong kanina. Okay? So, eto na, si Miss Tessa Mauricio.
Tessa!
Hi, Tessa! Asan yung mic ni Tessa?
My pretty Tessa.
Well, you are
Oh.
you're a beautiful.
Hindi, maganda po itatanong ni Tessa, huwag niyo siyang patayan.
It's so nice to
Okay.
see you again. To see all my friends.
Okay na po. Ayun. And gorgeous Sharon Coleta po namin.
Thank
Lahat
you.
kami
Thank
mga
you.
Sharonians.
Thank
And, I'd like to say lang po before you arrived, si Gabby actually was very careful answering so many questions. I think his respect for you is, really that high. Parang ayaw niya ang jokes lang niya is, baka magkita kayo, magka-developan kayo pagpalagi. But yun lang hanggang doon lang, di ba? And earlier he said conception siya dati. But for you, how is your regard for, regard mo for Gabby now, 42
Now?
years later?
Well, I will always be thankful that he's the father of my eldest daughter. I will always respect the good times that we shared, and I will always remember him fondly. It's so funny to get into kasi nga Dear Heart, the concert, and it's been so long. So, what I did was, one day, I watched Dear Heart on YouTube. I wanted to see the purity, the innocence, where we started. And in the end, I said, oh my God, that is the boy I fell in love with. That version, that moment in time, who Gabby was, what he was during those times. And then I saw how, yun lang.
No, we understand what you're saying. That's also the Gabby and Sharon we fell in love with. But through the years, Ate Shawi, everybody has been asking naman talaga, a movie please, whatever, project together. And nagkataon lang yung 4 years ago. But, was there really any hesitation why it took this long? And, I know ikaw you'll open up to us.
Yes, never on my part. Never on my part. It was always Gabby's call. In fact, we had several meetings before with Star Cinema, and then things didn't work out. I was always ready. So, and then, if you're going to ask kung makakaroon kami ng movie after the concerts, I think it will all depend on the dynamic that we will experience while doing the concerts. Kung magiging okay lahat ang flow, kung magkakasundo kami, kung walang problema, walang issues, walang hassle, walang stress, then there's no reason for us not to, di ba, do a movie. But at this point kasi in our lives, parang mas importante yung may peace na lang for the sake of our daughter.
Ate Sharon, last
Yes.
na lang, without going to the past too personally, what's your favorite memory of Gabby that you can share with us?
Oh, when we were just starting out, Gabby was very malambing. That's what we have in common, or what we had in common. Siya yung pinakamalambing na nakilala ko. So, he was sweet, he was sincere, he was, I felt loved, in the early years. So,
perfect time for your reunion concert. You are at your most fabulous.
Not yet. I still have a ways to go. I want to go back to my figure gigs.